Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 13, 2022. Hard Sudoku. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the cells. We'll confirm later. 8th row and 9th row. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Second grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 6. It will come in another 3 cells. Third row, we already got 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Fourth row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 7, 9. Second row and fourth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. And third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column D, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column D and fourth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Fourth row and sixth row and seventh row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 9. Column D also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column D and 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column D, we have 7. 6th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 8. 7th row, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 5th row, column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 7th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, we have 2 and 4 and 8. That 3 numbers can't come the 3 cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 3, 5. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row and 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row and sixth row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then sixth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row we have 2. Column I also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H and 4th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Tenth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Ninth row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell. We can confirm 3 also here. Column C, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column D, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Sixth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column I, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fourth row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column J, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Ninth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column I, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 8th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column F, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 5th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column F, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column F, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column F, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.